I need more data. I need to collect more data. Anything can be optimized if I have enough data and know correct questions to ask and correct way to transform it to be of use. If I want to get where I'm going, get to either the sufficient skill level, it's very coupled anyways. I am planning on getting to 4 SD skill level, which is tightly coupled to getting like a quant form, most likely. Because if I'm good enough, the opportunities, the things around me will just sort itself out. It always happens like this. So just need to get good enough. But at this level, the requirements are non-trivial, and I must operate myself too as a business. Not only the things I'm doing and working on, but literally every single part about my life, everything about where my resources are going, how I'm spending the time, where are the inefficiency, and then finding inefficiencies, excluding the things I can sacrifice, which is practically everything. The largest problem is to find the extra things which do not drive the bottom line, and then realize that do not do that, because, for example, I often have this problem, and it takes me less and less time to exterminate such things, but still I pick up some unnecessary activities which are very fun, very stimulating, whatever, but that do not drive the bottom line. Like additional projects, like optimizing second, third level things, which would be great to do in the limit, but that is not efficient to tackle. And that's decisions made out of boredom, out of what is interesting, out of what I feel like, and what I feel like shouldn't matter. What should matter is data, and I do have quite some data. I've written a bunch of programs to collect that automatically. I have one into which I input data in structured format every single day. But that's not enough. So first I need to actually figure out, get full potential of what I've collected. I've collected quite some data already. The format has changed many times, but I've made it somewhat resilient to such changes. Um, and I just need to figure out the better ways of queuing it, because there's actually some unrealized potential in this data, some questions which I'm not asking but should be. And then I guess I will also implement the open recall, because it's been out for quite a while at this point, and I've been busy with other things, not getting around to it, but it's a very important thing. It would be, because that's something that normally you need to spend a lot of time doing. It's a great exercise to set up an alarm clock for every 15 or 30 minutes throughout the week, and record the activity you're on at that time. But I'm an engineer. I can make it automated, and especially now with Open Recall. I mean, I have automated with PC, but I don't spend all the time on PC. And even then, it's somewhat limited to what I can do, because I'm just parsing the names of the applications I'm using, and it's not immediately connected to the exact activity which is performed. But if I can get the OpenRecall into pipeline, and obviously it works in Linux, everything works in Linux. If somebody tells you Microsoft can do stuff and Linux cannot, that's not true. If you're an engineer, go to Linux. If you're not an engineer, don't go to Linux. That's very simple. Um, I will implement the OpenRecall, put it into the pipeline, and then get very good quality data. And it'll take time, and it will take away from the project I should be working most on right now. But it's a huge productivity gain for the season of my life at least. So I will do it. I will do it. Probably right now we'll still just ignore everything and just code on one single thing because I was kind of distracted last a week or two. But beyond that, we'll find the time and get this to work. The data is always one of the top priorities, no matter what's happening. Um, I guess I will fix the goddamn sound on the PC because this recording like this is not comfortable, and also gets me off from calling people who know how to solve things which I'm looking for, which has been of very much use at some points in the past, and just cannot access it right now, which is very sad. So it means I'm developing slower. Um, pretty stupid thing, pretty stupid problem. Anyways, that's about it. Collect data. I will collect more data. I will spend a great deal more of time to connect and organize my data pipelines, and that's one of the things that will lead me to great success. I'll see you tomorrow.